Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Fiji style custard pie. So let's get started. For the base, I've got here 2 cups of self-raising flour, or you can use 2 cups of plain flour mixed with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of white sugar, 125 grams of soft butter and 2 eggs. And for the custard, I've got here 4 cups of milk, half cup of raw sugar, or you can use white sugar, quarter teaspoon of yellow food color, and half a cup of vanilla flavored custard powder. This is what it looks like. If your custard powder is plain, just add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And you will also need a baking tray, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a pastry brush, and a fork. Preheat your oven at 160 degrees if it is a fan-forced oven and 180 degrees if it is a conventional oven. Grease the baking tray with melted butter using a pastry brush and put it aside. Take butter in a large dish, add sugar and beat it using an electric beater. Add eggs and beat it well. Add flour and mix it using a spatula until it starts to come together. Use your hands and knead it into a soft dough. Place the dough on the greased baking tray. Put a plastic wrap on top of the dough and use your fingers to press it down evenly on the base of the baking tray. Prick the base using a fork and bake it for 20 minutes or until you get a golden brown color. Take it out of the oven and let it cool down slightly while we get the custard ready. To make the custard, take a saucepan, add custard powder and 1 cup of milk. Use a whisk and mix it well to combine. Add the remaining milk, sugar and quarter teaspoon of yellow food color and mix it well. Put the saucepan on medium heat and bring it to a boil, stirring it continuously. When it starts to boil, lower the heat and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Turn the heat off, spread it evenly on the base using a spatula and let it cool down for 1 hour. After 1 hour, cut it into any size you like and let me dish it out and show you. My Fiji style custard pie is ready and you can serve it to family and friends. Leftover custard pie can be kept in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 5 days. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.